Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4, and we got a morning drive here with some street driving and some highway driving. So we're going to get a good normal morning day worth of driving that you guys can see how FSD 12.6.4 hardware 3, some of these older Teslas, how they're gonna handle these kinds of drives. So if you guys are looking to get a Tesla, looking to try out FSD, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos, because I post videos like this one literally every single day. And mornings are rough. Nobody likes waking up early. Nobody likes driving early, or personally I just don't. I love the way the sky looks at night, or in the morning. I guess night. It's kind of night. The sun is rising, and there's nothing more beautiful than a sunset. Maybe a sunrise. I don't know. Personally, sunsets are sunrises. I'm getting confused. Totally. I'm not awake yet, guys. I need some coffee. Only makes that left turn very smooth, very nicely. No complaints there. And now it's accelerating the speed. The speed limit in this area is around 50 kilometers an hour. So we should be fine going 55, 60. And yeah, I don't expect it to be too busy, but a lot of people are driving crazy, driving fast. Usually mornings, everybody's just getting where they need to go, so I'm not really surprised there. But we are centered very well. We're going just above the speed limit, which is fine. This road is pretty safe. It's very visible. There's not too much going on. So I'm gonna just let it. 65 is where I draw the line though. Drop that down to 60. And then the speed limit should be changing to a 60 soon. But yeah, some cars are coming in fast. They're already overtaking me. I know, I'm going a little too slow, but it's kind of just how it goes. Cars are making a right. This car just blocked off this car overtaking me again. Everybody's just speeding in the morning. It's just kind of how it is. Personally, I stick around the speed limit, just trying to get that, maximum efficiency, and just, it's just much safer. You have a lot more time to react, and hopefully the slower you go, chances are the less severe the collision might be. At least that's what is supposed to happen, I guess. But yeah, it's pressed, no shame in going a little bit slow, or going at least the speed limit, I guess. Maybe I should be in the right lane, but I'm just letting FSD kind of do its thing. Hardware 3 FSD 12.6.4 is pretty good with these kinds of roads. So, even if we're going just a little bit over the speed limit in the left lane here, not going as fast as the flow, whatever. Obviously, if we're going too slow, I'm definitely going to get over to the right. But the car is going over the right because our entrance ramp to the highway is coming up shortly. So we are waiting for that. There's Canada Wonderland, guys. For those who are not Canadian or I don't know if Americans even know about Canada's Wonderland, but we're decelerating very rapidly there. The light turned pretty last second, so that was pretty quick turn, or quick deceleration there. But yeah, I don't even know if Americans know about Canada's Wonderland. If you're an American and you guys know about Canada's Wonderland, comment down below. That'd be pretty cool to see if Canada's Wonderland is that popular. But here in Canada, I'm pretty sure everybody knows this one. I've been there so many times. I think it's like if you live in Toronto, you have to go when you were younger. Your friends take you and stuff. And the light has turned green. So we are accelerating smoothly, just following the flow of the cars around us. We're going to be getting over to the right lane shortly, but this car is kind of preventing us. It's matching our speed. We're going a little bit over the speed limit because it's just following the flow of traffic. Maybe we're going to go in front of this van here. I don't know, a lot of these drivers are going pretty fast. I am in an electric car, so hopefully I am faster than at least this cargo van. I do not have a performance Tesla, so let's see. Cargo van versus FSD. I am not pressing the pedal. This is all FSD. Signal is on, and FSD wins. I don't know if the cargo van was even racing there. I wouldn't consider it a race. He's probably just driving whatever. And FSD was kind of just doing its own thing. I wasn't. My feet look like they're pressing the pedal, but it's just my seating position. I'm seated very far back, and you guys can see that beautiful sunrise. I don't see the sun yet, though. It'll still be coming up. But we're entering the highway. And we are accelerating. The car is flooring it, kind of. Well, not fully, because it'd be a lot quicker, but it is flooring it just enough. We're going 100, just a little bit over. 10 over is the max we're going to do today, guys. We're not going to do no crazy speeding. I know a lot of people in the area do speeding. It's just a Toronto thing, a city thing. It's just morning traffic. But I tend not to speed, so we're going 110, which is kilometers per hour, guys, not miles an hour. I know you guys love to comment, oh dude, you're driving Tesla FSD at 100 miles an hour, you're insane. It is kilometers an hour, which is somewhere around 60, 65, 70 miles an hour. And we are on the highway, and that was a pretty good entrance, pretty good merge, and now we're just cruising on the highway, going 10 over the limit, just following the flow of traffic. And you guys can see, just going 10 over the limit is still slow compared to traffic. I'm being passed on the left, I'm being passed on the right. Toronto traffic is just like that. Everybody's just rushing to where they need to go. And yeah, it's kind of cool how FSD can adapt. If I didn't change the speed limit or the max speed, FSD would safely go the flow of traffic there. It'd probably just speed up, maybe go 120, 125. But personally, I am not gonna do that for this video. We're gonna keep it safe, guys. There's a car on the side of the road there. Hopefully, you know, they're just figuring out directions or something, and they're not broken down. That would be terrible. You know, that's not a good way to start the morning. And yeah, we all hate that. We all hate that. But now we're just falling behind this truck. Personally, I don't like falling behind trucks because, you know, rock chips. This Cadillac's coming insanely fast. Probably maybe 130 there, 140. More cars coming in. You guys can just see the highway where everybody's just going. Everybody, there's cars behind me overtaking me. It's just, and I'm going around 190 kilometers now. Everybody's just going pretty fast, so stay safe out there, guys. Getting into a collision or any sort of accident on the highway is not a good way to start your morning. So if you guys are used to speeding and you guys kind of, what the hell was that? But if you guys are used to speeding and you guys speed a lot, you guys have a heavy foot, and you guys kind of want to, you know, bring the speeding tickets to a stop. Maybe you guys do get a few speeding tickets here and there. We don't have speed cameras anymore, thankfully, but Tesla FSD could really help you know, control your speed, control your driving, make sure you're driving a little bit safer. You know, obviously you might be you know, you might be rushing where you need to go because you just don't, you know, you just don't care about you know, going the speed limit or anything, and that's completely up to you. You know, we all have places to be and stuff. So I understand, you know, speeding and stuff, but it's also just kind of dangerous. We're gonna go turning to the right here. I guess enough about my safety talk. I know I talk a lot about that stuff. Cars are stopping. It is a red light for them and it's green light for us, so we're gonna be making this right. I did press the accelerator just a little bit to get us through that right turn there. Now we're coming up on these stopped cars, slowing down, getting a little bit of regen back. And yeah, it's slowing down very smoothly, very comfortably. This whole drive I've been pretty comfortable, pretty stress-free there. Yeah, pretty good drive so far. I can't wait to get version 14 Lite. Hopefully version 14 Lite is coming soon. I actually have no idea because I've been checking every single day and I still don't have version 14 Lite. So if you guys are in Toronto and you guys have an older Tesla Hardware 3, be sure to comment down below if you guys have version 14 Lite yet. I can't believe that I still don't have it. It's been probably a few weeks now. Not entirely sure about the exact release date of version 14 Lite, but I think it's been a few weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm still waiting. Aggressive braking here. The light turned yellow pretty last minute there, but the car came to a smooth stop regardless. It was not too aggressive, but was a lot more aggressive than it usually is. So, but it stopped pretty well. We're just below or just behind the crosswalk, and yeah, that was pretty safe. Now the light has turned green, so we're going to be accelerating, and it accelerates very smoothly. You know, it's just following the flow of these cars to our right and left here. And yeah, it's going to go just a little bit over the limit, maybe 10 kilometers over. That's pretty much as I would like to go. Not too fast, not too slow either. And yeah, now it's just cruising at a nice speed. And it's pretty good acceleration, pretty good drive there. Coming up to this red light, we're slowing down now, getting a little bit of that regen back, and it is detecting it. I'm not pressing any of the pedals. It's slowing down very smoothly, very comfortably, and to a stop. Perfect. Just behind the crosswalk, and that was pretty much a perfect stop there. Probably more perfect than I would have done. That was really good. The light has turned green. Now we're gonna go back to accelerating, following the flow of these two cars beside us. And the light in front of us is red, so it's not gonna be going too fast here. I guess FSD is trying to match this Mercedes here. That's kind of crazy. Mercedes is a little close. I don't really like that, but we are slowing down now to get this light here, this red light. So it's slowing down very smoothly, very comfortably, just behind the crosswalk again. And yeah, it stops again. Perfect. And no complaints. That was pretty perfect there. We got some wheels screeching. That was pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys you know, I've been enjoying the videos lately, been liking and commenting on all the recent videos, be sure to subscribe, because I post these kinds of videos all the time. You know, we're still a new channel, around 2 months, 2 months old. I've been trying to post every single day. I think I've been hitting it. I've been pretty consistent. Obviously I miss a day or two because of you know, maybe some personal reasons, or I'm just not in the, I just don't have enough time or something. This Mercedes is a bit close. I'm not really liking that. but FSD is handling this pretty well. And yeah, I've been trying to get out the shorts, get out the videos for you guys, and make some pretty good playlists so you guys can kind of binge watch the channel. And yeah, if you guys are longtime viewers, if you guys been watching the channel, you guys have some suggestions, have some suggestions, be sure to comment down below. I read every single comment, you know, the good ones, the bad ones, you know, whatever. It's just I just love seeing what you guys think of the videos, you know. And hopefully I'm getting a little bit better at this stuff. I am still pretty new to YouTube and just the process, and I'm just trying my best, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to be doing this last left turn, and we just missed it. So I guess I'll wrap up the video with this light. So yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see more of. You know, I've been getting a lot of downtown videos, a lot of night drives. The only problem with night drive videos is that my camera kind of sucks. You know, I'm kind of using my phone, so the low light is pretty horrible. I do have a few night drive videos if you guys want to check it, but low light videos are just pretty rough and don't look the best, and I want to make the best videos for you guys. So I'll just wait till I have a better camera and I can capture some better low light night drives. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick to pretty fun non-traffic driving. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of the links in the description, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and comment down what you guys think. And see you guys in the next one. Peace, and stay safe, guys.